Hey YouTube, welcome back. This is the repair of the Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1 54-inch mower deck that's got some rusting issues. The first issue we noticed is right here under the deck. Now we're trying to figure out exactly why this may have happened. Now a lot of the grass when we cut, because we do a fair amount of cutting. I mean the whole mower only has about 110 hours on it, but we don't always clean off the deck. And that may have contributed to sort of the rusting out that you see here. There's also a little missing paint here, which I'm not really sure why that would have happened. And some loss here, a little piece over here, and a spot here. So today's project is to clean up those spots and then paint them up with some rust preventative paint, also known as Rust-Oleum. And then we're going to put it onto the mower deck and get the machine back in service because we got some grass cutting to do with it. So let's get to work. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, ready for paint. Three coats later, looking pretty good. I think that'll protect it from any further rusting. Okay, let's see. One of these goes quicker than the other. I'll do the adjustment. Let's see. So the right one drives a little bit faster than the left one. So let's check the left one, see if we can get that to equal the right one. That looks pretty safe. Don't try this at home. On this machine, this side is a little bit slower than the other side when you have it pushed fully forward. So when you push it fully forward, you can see what happens. The drive motor gets engaged as you push the lever forward. You can see it right there. So what you need to do is adjust this. This is threaded. So you need to adjust this little pin. So you crank it in or out so that the travel of this left lever is consistent with the right lever. So I show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. So all it requires is the removal of this pin. Then you can pull this little pin out and you see this rotates. So all you need to do is rotate it in or out to make it consistent. So we're going to turn this, like 1 revolution out. Try 2 revolutions out. And then we just line it back up. Into the hole, as you can see right there. As you can see right there. Take your pin, slip it back in, and there you go, adjusted. And take it out for a test drive and see if it's consistent. Alright, now we got this thing running. Let's see how we did on our adjustment. Much better. Pretty much straight as an arrow. Well, let's get the mower deck back on and put this thing back in service. Okay, blades are back on. Fluids are all changed, filters are changed. Blades are sharp. Let's see how it cuts. Alright, I think that's cutting really nice. Smooth, even cuts. I guess it's back in service. Hey, if you like the channel, please subscribe. Hit us with a thumbs up to like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time. Bye.